Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can create app folders on your Motorola Razr 4D, and for that we will go ahead and look for two apps where we would like to create a folder with, and we will take Lieferando, press and hold, and then just drag it on top of another app, and then we have that little folder here, and we can edit the name. And then we can also take more apps into that folder, and to take them out again we need to press, hold, and then just drag them out of that folder. To create a folder you need to have at least two apps. You saw the folder disappeared as soon as we took the second app out of it. If you have your app folder you can also move that around and then just drop it wherever you want it to be. So that's how you can create app folders on your Motorola Razr 4D. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.